Boat Shipping Connecticut Premium Boat Transport. If you require a dependable boat shipping service in Connecticut, a One Auto Transport should be your top choice. We specialize in providing safe and efficient boat shipping services for all types of watercraft, including but not limited to yachts, houseboats, fishing boats, and charter ships. We also have a proven track record of delivering cars on time and in excellent condition after years of experience in the industry. Contact us today for more information and a free quote. Types of Connecticut boat transport services. With over a decade of industry experience, we have the knowledge and expertise to provide top-notch service at a reasonable price, no matter where you go. We provide our customers with free shipping estimates at no additional cost. We provide a variety of boat, yacht, and watercraft shipping services, including RORO shipping, interstate boat shipping service, international boat shipping services, overland boat transport, full-service moving services, international boat shipping. Shipping a boat overseas involves specific requirements and regulations that must be followed to ensure safe and successful transport. Here are some of the key considerations. Choose a reputable shipping company. Obtain necessary documentation, including ownership and registration documents, insurance paperwork, and customs declarations. Prepare the boat for shipment. Depending on the destination and size of the boat, transport options may include container shipping, roll-on, roll-off transport, or flat rack shipping. Each country has specific regulations related to the import of boats, so it's important to research and comply with these requirements. Call us at 1-888-230-9116 for a free quote and schedule your boat's transport.